Let's look at some comparison expressions and see if we can untangle some of these scenarios. Just tell me true or false. True? True. Okay. Okay, so I'm hearing false. That's correct. It's false. Why is it false? Right, because strings are case sensitive. That's not the same as the uppercase B. And in fact, Python wouldn't even say would see no connection between those things. They're just different. Either they're the same or different. And Python says they're different. Yes, sir.
Could you use like one of the case rules to make those the same? Like no matter what, like it will always like count it as lowercase.
So if I wanted, I see what you're asking, and so if I wanted them to consider them the same, what I would do is before I compared them, I would use .lower. I would use the lower method to make everything lowercase, and then I would compare them. Yeah, that's a great question, by the way, because we will be actually building an application where the users need to enter something, and we want them to have some freedom to enter different things, but it's still to work. So you always, if you want to do that kind of comparison, it's safe to always make them lowercase. You could use upper, but I think lower is a safer bet. Equal or not equal? So that would come out false because a string is not the same as an integer. True. True. Because 5 is less than or equal to 5 because it's equal. Remember, it can be less than or equal. Either one. So you should read that as less than or equal. True or false? Are they equal? Let me just ask you that. Right. So they're not equal. So this is true that they're not equal. That's what it's saying. That's false. That's false because 7 is not less than or equal to 6. That's a trick. That's going to give you an error because Python's like, wait a minute, I can't compare a string with a magnitudinal sort of thing. I can't say that a string is greater than or less than a number because those two things are completely different. Okay? So again, that's an error. Okay? So certain things you cannot compare.